Hi guys, this is Tash, the Star-Crossed Stitcher. Today is Maynia the 9th, and my whip for today has been the Gamer, or I call her Gamer Nouveau. The art is by Medusa Dollmaker, and isn't she amazing? I love her. I think she's so cool. I love her. I'm a gamer. If you don't know, I actually went to uni for game programming, and I love all these little, piranha plants, Sonic the Hedgehog, Mario, Mega Man, Zelda, the little mushrooms. I just love everything about this. I just love everything, even the potato chips and her amazing headphones. It's gorgeous. I love it. I started this as my New Year, New Start for last year. It's a kit from Gecko Rouge, which isn't on the... Wow, it doesn't actually even say that on the cover. But the art is by Medusa Dollmaker. And here's what I have done so far. So, not much, obviously. This is page 1 down to about there. Here. This is page 2 here. No, actually, this is page 8 here. Page 8 and page 2 are both on my year of whips for this year. So, that's better. So I do need to come back to this. I actually have done a good job tonight. Tonight, I basically filled in all of this blue in this section here and started on this little bit of green. And I'm stopping just because it's getting late and I'm tired. Seems like when midweek comes, about Wednesday and Thursday, I'm exhausted and it's really hard work getting more than an hour or two of stitching in. But I did get a lot done tonight. I'm pretty happy. Because it's a Year of Whips piece, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to finish this page 8. But this might be a loss for the year. I don't know, we'll see. What else to say? This is 25 count. The magic, I get confused between the magic guide and the easy count. But this fabric came with the kit. The kit came from Gecko Rouge. I got all the threads here like this. It's a bit of a mess. I wish I could have bought just the chart digitally, so I could have kitted up myself, but that wasn't an option for this pattern, obviously for copyright reasons, and I guess that's fine. Of course, the worry is you're going to run out of thread, and in this kit they actually don't tell you what DMC numbers are provided, but I used my floss card and matched the numbers up, so I will be able to figure that out if I run out. I've got a lot of cool needle minders on this piece. A companion cube, a couple of Mario mushrooms, an extra life, a creeper, Princess Peach, and my little controller. So yeah, I really like this piece and I want to stitch it and I want to have it up so I can see it every day forever because I think it's beautiful and amazing. She's so cool. Alright, that's all for tonight. I got some big haul yesterday. 2 big parcels came and I'm very pleased. But I'll tell you all about it in my next regular update. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!